Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your IRS online account with id.me. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for IRS login and then press on the first link irs.government.gov and then press on it and then go to sign in and then choose individual since this one works with id.me. Now, as you can see, sign in with id.me. If it is already settled, you can just press on sign in, but we are showing this video for the people who don't have id.me yet account, so that they press on create an account. Okay, now it will ask you for few details, email, password, and then confirm password. You can toggle remember me, so no need to input your email and password every time you want to log in using this laptop, but it is not necessary. You can leave it, but this one you need to check it. It is necessary, and then press on create an account. Now it will show you some internal revenue services. Then press on continue. Now it will ask for email verification. They already sent a confirmation code to the email that you input earlier. Then you need to paste the confirmation code and then press on confirm code. If you haven't received the email, you can press on resend my verification, then press on confirm code. Now it will ask you to choose one step up multi-factor authentication such as passkey, text message, or phone call, push notification, code generator application, security key, NFC enabled mobile security key. So you can choose one of those and click on it and then press on continue, and then you can press on create. You can choose any pin you want. Now press on continue. Now it will ask you choose how to verify your identity from the options below. Self-service, upload a driver license or state ID, passport or passport card and capture a selfie, or video call, upload a driver's license, state ID, passport or passport card, and join a quick video call, and that's it. So you can choose whichever one to use. For example, you can use self-service, press on continue. I need to acknowledge first their terms and conditions, press on continue. Now it will ask you to input your phone number and then it will ask you to upload your documents, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.